this is Josh Cooley with Keller Williams Realty, and welcome to my video blog. So today we are starting our expert series, and I am proud to present to you Ed Litten of National Pest Control and the Roofing Company. Ed has also been a home inspector for 10 years, so an absolute expert on the field we're talking about today, which is home inspections and repairs. So first question for Ed today would be, what are the most common items asked for in an estimate for home repairs?
Well, the most common items asked for after an inspection would be in areas of water, so that'd be the bathrooms, kitchen, utility room. From there, we'd probably go with the roof, siding, and then the substructure. In this area, we've got a lot of water, causes a lot of damage real quick and underneath the house. And most of the time, people don't even realize it's under there until the inspection. So
places you can't see.
Yeah.
So water is a big deal.
Water's a big deal, and we've got lots of that here in the Northwest.
And you can't see it. So not all contracts or sales are negotiated the same, whether it be buyer and seller preference or the agent that's negotiating for you. So what we get a bid for and what we actually put in a repair addendum to have done are two different things. So you know what I'm talking about, right?
Right.
Okay, Ed. So next question here would be, what is the single most common repair that you actually make?
So the most common would be the wet areas, like I discussed before. So that'd be your kitchens, bathrooms, utility rooms, siding, around doors and windows, any place where moisture intrusion. So keeping the caulking and stuff updated really helps with that. But those would be the most common issues.
Absolutely. We do see a lot of dry rot here, and you can't see it always. So a good home inspection will help with that. All right, so is there a repair asked for by buyers that may seem like a larger issue than it actually is?
So the most common that scares the most people would probably be the electrical. Even though the electrical, we do know the electrical is dangerous and it's important. However, the repairs most of the time are fairly minimum in cost. So instead of getting scared, get the cost. Take the time, get the estimates.
Yeah, what's a breaker cost?
A breaker costs $50 maybe. An entire panel change could be from $1,000 to $1,500.
Okay, so not crazy.
So it's not a crazy amount of money.
Okay. All right, so right now in this market, and shoot, Ed, you're doing repairs on maybe 10 of our homes right now.
Right.
So this numbers are going to be real from the man. What do you think is the average cost that a seller should expect to pay for a home inspection?
Average
home repair, sorry.
Yeah. So the average cost right now we're experiencing is about $1,500 per sale. Mm-hmm. You got some houses that have 0 repairs, or up to a couple $100. Then you have some that have $3,000 or $4,000. So right now I think the average is about 15.
Even newer homes, let's say something that's just 5 years new, there may be things to replace there that a homeowner wouldn't expect to have or know about.
Right, correct. And with today's building materials being the way they are, we do find a lot of damaged window trims, door trims, and siding.
Sure do.
Any of the deco artwork on your front porches, railings, and such like that aren't getting enough paint on them when they are built. Also the caulking around them, so they're getting moisture and those are becoming damaged. And a person in a 5-year-old home wouldn't expect that kind of damage.
Right.
But it's happening.
You'd be surprised how people react when there's problems that we don't know about, and naturally.
Oh, I get to be the bad guy. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Well, get it fixed.
Yeah.
All right, so here's a phone on. What's the smallest bill you've ever sent out for a repair?
I think the smallest bill, and it's kind of embarrassing to do so, but it was $25. And it was for a simple window repair that the seller had actually had a window company come out for, and they tried to sell her a complete new window when it was just a real simple repair.
Oh, save them some money there.
Save them a little bit of money.
Okay, so inverse, what's the largest repair you've ever made?
The largest one I did was about $96,000. Okay. That was coming in after a homeowner had purchased a flip, done the complete remodel himself, and then had us come in and do the inspection. I definitely recommend doing it the other way around.
Yeah.
We had to tear up everything he did. Gorgeous work, but cost him a lot of money.
And it happens more often
than not.
Yeah. Okay. So Ed, we do appreciate your time today. With your knowledge, it would be wrong to not ask, is there any advice you could offer to someone getting ready to sell their home?
Well, somebody getting ready to sell their home, because the inspection period or the inspection process is just crazy. I mean, 50, 60 pages on an average inspection. So take care of the minor stuff. Look for the chipping paint, caulking around the windows and doors. That's all simple stuff homeowners can do. Make sure your roof is cleaned off from moss. So basically, generally the maintenance issues that should be being done anyways, that most homeowners don't do.
Right.
So get those done before the inspection happens. You give the inspector a lot less things to look at, makes the report seem a lot more clean to the buyer,
Yep.
and scares away a lot less people.
So thank you, Ed. If
Thank
you'd
you.
like to reach out and ask any questions directly to Ed, you can reach him at nationalpestcontrol_construction@yahoo.com. I'm Josh Cooley with Keller Williams Realty here in Eugene, Oregon. I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions for us, you can email us at info@eugenere.com. Look forward to earning your business. Hope you have a great day. Thanks, Ed.
Thank you.